But I was saying the hearts is for people that don't have 1,000 followers. They're trying to get to 1,000. Where you at, Cody? Let me see where you at real quick. Thank you. Thank y'all. Can y'all do pink or red hearts? Let's support Valentine's Day, because all these other colors is ugly as hell. Y'all got brown hearts with green and yellow and it look crazy. There you go. Okay, hold on. Oh shit, I done lost you. Damn. Okay, I'm pinning it. You got 126. Come on, y'all. Let's get her to 200. 200. We got some ways to go. Damn, I can't see. Y'all typing. Damn. I can't even. I can't catch up with y'all. Make sure you keep putting your name in there. Cody? I'm gonna let this go on for like 2 more minutes. This shit hurt my eyes. I said y'all can drop pink hearts or red hearts to support Valentine's Day. Now, if I seen you, now this the petty part. This where the petty part come in. If I'm seeing you in my live and I told you to tap the screenshot of live and you ain't never did that, guess what? I'm finna take you up out of here. You ain't about to participate in this. This like school. Good behavior, get rewarded. What? Yeah. Y'all can still watch my live though. Y'all just gonna get muted because, yeah. Ain't no freebies. Y'all let y'all rabbit ass one. If you thought I was gonna do something for free for you and you can't even do it for me. Bye. Hope y'all enjoyed the little bit of followers that you may have gotten. If I ain't never seen you in the live, then you good, but... No, for real. That's why it's important when I ask y'all to tap the screen, share the live. If I do stuff like this, you not about to participate. What makes you think that I'm finna let you stay up in my live? Hey, let's go. And what makes these trolls think that they finna get some followers? Like, what? Bye. I know they mad now. They can't comment no more. They trying to like the live now. No, it's too late to participate. Sorry. Sorry. Oh, I know they mad. Dang, I ain't right. But I know they mad. Thank you, Zeta. Y'all ain't got to share it right now, because it ain't going to count. If I just see somebody that's often in my live and I always say, tap the screen, share the live, and then I don't ever see their name pop up or share, they're not going to participate in this. Only because why would I help you expand to 1,000 followers to start getting paid on this app when I'm seeking a helping hand to have shelter over my head, and you won't even tap the screen and share the live, which is something that is free as well. But then the moment that I do something that can benefit you and your pockets, you feel me? You trying to use me. No. So y'all ain't got to do it right now. Y'all can do it when I try to raise and stuff. Raise a little bit. Y'all, we only doing red. We only doing red and pink hearts. If you do anything besides red and pink, I'm muting you. Cause them other colors is ugly. And it's hurting my eyes. I wear glasses, so all them colors is hurting. Hey, we almost at 200. Let's go, y'all. We trying to get, let me pin it. We trying to get Miss Cody to 200 followers, y'all. She got a testimony. I'm trying to add her in my box. Once this testimony come, we stop in the follow train. And if y'all don't stop it, I'm just turn off the comments. But I think I'm doing it for quite a bit. It's been going on for a couple of minutes now. Not stale wig trying to get some motherfucking followers. No, we not Party Galaxy. I ain't forget about you. I didn't forget about you this morning trying to talk shit with your Party Galaxy wig. No, you didn't. No, you didn't think you was finna benefit off me. I ain't right. I need to get right. The bang. She got me messed up. Thinking she gonna talk shit and get some followers off of me. No, boo-boo. Sit this one out. Y'all keep dropping y'all hearts. If you under 1,000 followers and you trying to get to 1,000, or if you at least trying to go live with other people, with other content creators, you need at least, I just discovered that you need at least 200 subscribers to 200 followers to go live with other content creators like me and other people. So if you're wanting to do that, so you can start getting in people's panels, they boxes, drop a heart. Drop a heart. Drop a heart. Man, I wish this was on my main page. I would have had way more people would have been commenting, but it probably would have been harder for y'all to get follows though. Yeah, but she would have already been at 200 if I was on my main page. But hopefully this helped any of y'all. Is it working for any of y'all? Y'all seeing any results? Any follows? Because I know it's coming in fast. You say yes. That's good. I'll probably do it for y'all one time for the one time tomorrow too. Make sure that my mods is on it. You said it ain't working for you? Here. Hold on. Damn it. I done lost your comment. Is everybody else saying it worked for them? There you go. I'm going to do it on my main page again tomorrow. Just for the heck of it. For those who have supported me, you're welcome. For those who have supported me and stuff, hurry up and try to get y'all to 1K. Because I can't pay y'all back in cash, but I can help y'all that way. Then y'all can start making a profit by yourself on this platform. If you're, like I said, it takes being consistent and stuff. I'm not consistent as to why I don't make money on this app, for real. It's too much for me. Posting 3 times a day. That's a lot. But if you can do that and you willing to do that, keep your account in good standing, you can make some good money. I don't qualify for everything as to why I don't be making big money on here. Because they got like tips, they got video gifts, they got other things that you can make money for that I can't qualify for because I'm being. Where you at now, Cody? So I can pin you real quick. You at 137? Damn. Come on, y'all. These people scared to comment now. $137. Cause I'm seeing the same people. I wonder if I end the live and start it back over again, will that work? All right, I'm starting to see some new people in here. For those that's just now joining, trying to figure out what we're doing, if you haven't reached 1,000, well, I'm gonna say 200. If you're trying to go live and start being on people's panels, then they trying to bully me. Who? The trolls, they texting you personally and stuff. That's what they do. They do that weird ass shit. I just ignore them. That's the only thing that you can do. Y'all gotta remember too, if you ever want to go viral, if you ever want to be a content creator, some type of influencer in any type of way, shape, or form, just know trolls is always going to come with that. It don't matter if you're the most positive person in the world. It's going to come with trolls.